We all need to start living green and taking more into consideration about the materials we're using in building, for example. Wood is basically one of the most sustainable materials we can use, and that really appealed to me. Well, when I was younger, I used to do like woodworking with my granddad in the garden just at his house. He showed me how to build bird boxes and stuff like that. That's really how I got into liking woodworking. It's really good working in a team. Everyone knows what they're doing. There's set roles once you're used to working with each other, and everyone gets along. Personal skills I've learned is like working around each other and being patient, friendly, and getting on with everyone. And we do a lot of renovation, install a lot of timber windows and doors. Construction's taking a big step into that. We're trying to get greener and greener, finding new ways, saving energy, becoming more sustainable. It's going to be better for everyone.